Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Abby and I absolutely love all things makeup, inspiration and family. So that is what you can expect on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please share it with other beautiful people. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can receive a notification every time I upload. And yeah, I would really appreciate that. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support. I definitely do read all the comments and I appreciate every like, every share, and yeah, you guys really help me out. So thank you so much for that. I hope you're well. Let me just start there. I hope you guys are well. This pandemic is hitting hard, but let's just stay safe and let's just get into today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Flawless Brows, and you can get this at Verimark. I think it retails for about 250 Rand. It could be more because I do have this for quite some time now, but I will leave a link to that in the description box below. And yeah, I just thought I'd review this for you guys because it's really been a help for me, especially during the pandemic. I personally don't really go out anywhere. If it were under normal circumstances, I would go to a salon and have my brows threaded because I really love that look. And by no means I do not want to take food out of anybody's mouth. So if you prefer to go to a salon and you're keeping safe, then by all means, please do that. But right now, I said for me, using this is my personal preference. So I'm just going to get straight into the review. The packaging is super cute. It's called the Flawless Brows by Verimark. It removes hair instantly and pain-free. And it also comes with this quick start guide, and I'm just going to read that on for you. You have to install the battery, which it does come with, and mine is already installed because I have been using it. It's got an easy switch, so if you just want to turn it on, you slide up the switch and the light turns on. And to remove hair, you use on clean, dry skin. My skin is dry. I don't have any product on there, no makeup, no nothing. And it says basically you need to pull your skin tight and move in small back and forth movements. So that's rather easy. And if you open this up, you just slide it out of the box. This is super cute. The little battery was in there, and it also comes with a brush so that you can clean the tool after using it. So, whoa, I almost dropped it. This is super cute. I mean, wouldn't you just want to buy this for how cute it looks? And also the fact that it's so small and it's in a pen format, like I would call it, you can just put this in your handbag. Now, I must say, I don't only use this for my brows. For me, this is a multi-purpose tool that I use to remove hair on my mom's upper lip. I obviously do her brows as well. And I also remove unwanted stray hairs from my husband's beard. So this is super cute. It's multi-purpose. You can use it many times. If the battery dies, you just replace the battery. And I mean, it's quite affordable in my opinion. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you open it. Here's the switch right here. And when you switch that on, you just turn that up. The light turns on. And yeah, you can, it's super, super gentle on the skin. So yeah, let's get into this review. Before I do use this pen, I like to do a little bit of brow mapping, just so that I know exactly where I'd like to remove the hair. So here I've got a pen, a little, what is this? Definer, my brow definer, and I've got my spoolie. So I'm just gonna brush through my hairs, make sure it's nice and smooth. And then what I like to do is I like to take my spoolie, the wand of my spoolie, and I like to measure exactly where I'm going to be removing my hair. So like I said, this is brow mapping, and by no means am I an expert. You can watch YouTube videos on detailed tutorials on that, but mine is super simple. I just like to create an outline of where I would like to remove the hair. And basically what I do is I put the spoolie right there, and I know that I want to remove that, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. So just in line with your nostril, and there I've got my 2 lines. Not even. Okay, I'm just going to remove that. That does not look even at all. So right there. There we go. So I've got my 2 lines, and I know that I just want to remove all the hair between these 2 lines. I don't want to go beyond the line, because then I'd be taking off my brows, and I mean, I don't really have a lot of brow hairs to remove. So this is just a guide for me, and yeah, that's what I do for the brow mapping. And I'm just going to take my, where is my tool? Got it. I'm just going to take my tool like that, switch it on, and it says that you need to pull your skin tight. So I basically raise my brows and just remove everything in the middle. And it says back and forth movement. So that's what we're doing. Okay guys, and that's basically the center of my brows done. It definitely did remove the hairs. I must say though, you do have to press it quite intently, and you have to make sure that you're constantly going up and down so that you can get your desired results. But yeah, it definitely removed all the hair on the center between my brows. I'm really not that hairy, so honestly my hairs are so fine. For someone with thicker brows, you might really have to go in more intently. So is it intently or intensely? Okay, next I'm just gonna do my arch, and I think we should be done. Okay guys, and that's basically the review on this. My final thoughts. It's affordable. First of all, I think from a price point, it's really affordable. Would I prefer this over threading? Definitely not. Threading for me personally definitely gives my brows a more sharp and better look. So I would definitely prefer to go and have my brows threaded. It is super soft on the skin, so that's a great part. Yeah, it's really low maintenance. When you want to clean it, you literally take the head off, you use a little brush and you clean it. Obviously I use a sanitizing wipe as well, because I do use this on my husband and my mom. It's super convenient, so I definitely think this is something good to have in your handbag. It's super convenient, like I said, And yeah, I would definitely say go out and try it. But yeah, basically that's it for this review. Super simple. It's definitely removed all the hairs from here. I did my arch, but I'm also trying to grow out my brows, so I really don't do that much. I used it to clean up on top of my brow. And yeah, I definitely think that brows make a difference on a lady's face. So definitely try this out and let me know. So for the next part of this video, I'm actually going to show you guys how I shape and do my brows. There's really not a lot to it. I'm super simple. And what you're going to need is, number one, concealer. You can use any concealer that you like, but I love to use this one. As you guys know, this is the Pro Conceal LA Girl High Definition Concealer, and this is in medium beige. Next, you need your eye pencil that you're going to use to fill in, and this is Soft Black Avon True Color Glimmer Stick Brow Definer in Soft Black. I'm going to use a spoolie, and I've got these two brushes here that I'm going to use to blend out that concealer. So even before starting my makeup, I generally do my brows first because I find that my product that I'm using doesn't move around. So I like to start off with my brows, and I like to brush or comb through my hairs. And then I would take my brow definer. Now you can use whichever one you prefer. Obviously you get it in pencil form, you get the brow pomades, the dips, the brow powders, whichever you prefer. I personally prefer this because it is easier for me to use. And I like to start out by carving out the bottom of my brow. So with a light hand, I like to carve out the bottom of my brow and the top of my brow using a super light hand. And I basically just fold that in like that. Look at the difference already. And you want to take your time with this. I mean, brows really do give a woman's face or look, I think, the finishing touch. So I definitely do take time with my brows, and I'm just brushing that product in. And look at how beautiful that looks, the before and the after. And if I could give you guys a tip, always make sure that the front of your brow is much lighter than the tail of your brow, because when you're filling it in, sometimes it can be a bit harsh, but when you make sure that the front is lighter than the back, it just gives it that more natural look. So I'm actually quite happy with this brow. I'm just gonna fill it in, and I use my spoolie to distribute that product. And that's my brow. I'm going to do the other one off camera, and I'll be right back. And I'm back, and as you can see, both brows are filled in. And you guys know that I like to take a clean finger and just feather out the front of my brows for a more natural look. And you can see the difference that made the little tool that I use, because look at how clean and beautiful that looks. Next, I'm going to take my concealer, and I love this one, as you guys know, because it's so easy to use, and we just want to carve out that brow and make sure that it looks neater. So you take your concealer, and I just like to carve out the bottom of my brow. Like that. That was so easy. And I'll do the same on the other side. Now, when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you don't have too much product. And the purpose of this is, if you do have stray hairs under your brows, what the concealer is going to do is just cover it and give it a completely clean look. So, and also it works as a highlighter. So that's the purpose of carving out your brows. And if I'm going for a full-on glam, I would carve out the top and bottom. But for now, I'm just going to carve out the bottom of my brows, and using a small brush, any one that you have. And I like to use an angled straight brush because it just gives me more precision. So I like to blend that concealer out like that. Just blend that downwards. And look at how pretty that looks. It looks amazing. And you just want to do the same on this brow. And look at how pretty and clean these brows look. And honestly guys, that is it for my brows. If I'm going somewhere, you guys know that I would apply a brow gel, but I'm just going to leave that here. I hope this tutorial / review was helpful to you. Please let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I must say I'm a very natural brow girl, so even if I do full glam, this is my brows all the time, all day, every day. But yes, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know if you'll be trying out this little baby right here. Like I said, if you want your brows to look like it's just been threaded or waxed, you're definitely not going to get that with this product. But it is definitely going to get rid of stray hairs, and it's definitely going to neaten it up a bit. But yeah, give it a try, let me know. But that's it for today's video. Please stay tuned for my upcoming videos. We have something super excited planned. Thank you once again for all your love and support. I appreciate you. I really do. I really, really do. But have an amazing day. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay safe. And please stay tuned for my next video. Bye.